You don't need to be a hero, and you don't need to invest a lot of time and money to make your first $100,000 with affiliate marketing. I am Gina Babak, and I went from a broke day trader who lost $200,000 to a full-time online marketer, making $17,000 monthly with affiliate marketing. It took me a lot of time and money before I cracked the code, so I created a shortcut for everyday people who want to start an online business without breaking the bank or spending years on trial and error. They say you need to join a high-ticket program and pay up to $3,000 to get access to high-ticket commissions of $1,000 or more, and I joined a lot of them during the last 3 years. I saw how everyday people pay thousands to join such programs, and most of them fail within the first few months, making zero no matter how hard they try. But don't panic. In this video, I will show how I made $93,000 with a program anyone can join with less than $100, and how you can start your new online business without breaking the bank. When you join a high-ticket program, they say you need to drive organic traffic. This means you need to post a lot of content on social media like TikTok and Instagram. What they don't tell you is the stats. From 1,000 people trying to get organic traffic, 990 will quit within the first 3 months because it is not that easy. How do I know? Well, I tried it myself. I lost 7 TikTok accounts and 3 Instagram accounts trying to promote my high-ticket affiliate programs as they told me to do. But what is most important, I lost a lot of years. Yes, years, not even months, trying to become the next online guru. I almost quit my efforts to make money with affiliate marketing, but one day I finally found the right way to do it and the strategy that is affordable to anyone and easy to follow, even if you are a complete beginner. So this is what I found. You don't need to invest thousands to start making thousands. You just need to get access to a high-paying, low-ticket affiliate program that gives you big leverage, and you need to use paid traffic and a reliable traffic source. And this is actually how I made $93,000 in less than 3 months with a program that costs just $100. You may join AFFILIAXA with less than $100, and you can make high-ticket commissions up to $2,800 per referral. Next, you just need to decide how much you can spend on paid traffic weekly. You can start with as low as $40 per week using solo ads. This will allow you to get at least 30 new leads weekly, and there is a big chance you will make at least one sale. AFFILIAXA pays you $77 for the front-end sale, so you may just use this money to buy another 200 clicks and get another 60 new leads and more sales. This is how you build your email list predictably fast and make money at the same time. This approach allows you to make more money than you spend on traffic and build your online business by reinvesting your profit. And don't forget, you don't even need to post anything on social media. You just don't need them. Don't get me wrong, it will take some time and money before you reach $10,000 monthly income level. But this strategy allows you to start a new online business with a very small initial investment, and you will also start making money fast. So if you like the idea, you will find all the links in the description.